Yeah, yeah. Tired of the same old look this Christmas. Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine. Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine. My name is Lisa. Subscribe and come take this holiday journey with me.
Oh, hey y'all! Welcome to At Home with Lisa. Welcome to my Christmas series. You guys, I am so excited. Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year. I'm so excited. It is Christmas. It is Christmas, y'all. I know it ain't Thanksgiving yet, but it's still Christmas, y'all. Welcome to At Home with Lisa. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy that you decided to click on this video today. Also, if you like this type of content, which is going to be home decor, DIYs, home decor shopping hauls, tablescapes, vignettes, indoor styling, outdoor styling, you name it. And also too, y'all, we got a little bit of beauty in Lisa's beauty lounge too. Yeah, y'all. So you're gonna get a little bit of this and that over here. But anyway, if you're returning, welcome back. I so appreciate you guys for returning and rocking with your girl. So first things first, let me remind you guys that we're going to be decorating for Christmas using the colors black, white, a hint of silver, and a hint of gold as well too. I think I told you guys this when we first started decorating for the fall, because we use those colors for fall as well too. And I told y'all I'm just gonna roll on into the Christmas season using those same colors. So we're also going to be using different patterns as well, one in which I am wearing today. And we're going to throw in a little bit of stripes. We're going to have some plaid going on. And we're just going to be doing some different things with different patterns, with the black, the white, the silver, and the gold. Now, we're probably going to throw some neutral tones in there, here and there. But anyway, make sure your notification bells are on so you will know when I will be coming to you with content. So with that being said, go ahead and grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back and relax. But don't forget the reason for this season. Don't forget. All right, you all. So today we are going to be working with the kitchen island today that we're going to be decorating. We have a 4-seater here. So we're going to decorate for a 4-person's setting here today. So thank y'all so much again for tuning in. And I'm going to start off by using these placemats. They are like a rattan material here. And I can't remember where I got these from, but y'all, I have had them for so long. I've had them for so long, I even forgot I had them. So when I went in the garage to see what was out there, I saw these. I was like, okay, let me go ahead and bring these out and let me use these because I have not used them. So remember I said I'm going to be decorating with black and white, a hint of silver, hint of gold, and I'm going to be probably throwing some neutral tones in as well too. Well, this is going to be neutral tone, okay? It's very see-through, very simple, nothing extravagant. So we're gonna place some like so on the countertop, and I pre-cleaned my countertop, you guys. Well, let me take that back. Hubby cleaned it earlier, so I didn't have to go back and do that. So that was already done for your girl. Have you all started decorating? I know I've been getting a little static from people talking about, ooh, you decorating too early. It's never too early. It's what you want. And I want to decorate, so I'm going to decorate. How about that? So now that we have our placemats down, and I hope I pronounced that right, rattan? Yeah. So we're also going to come in with these beautiful gold charger plates. And I think I got these from the Hobby Lobby store. Those are so cute. These you can dress up or you can dress them down as well too. So I think they will be perfect for a casual day-to-day setting. Okay. And then I found these black plates with the gold trim here, as you guys can see. And I think a long time ago they came from Hobby Lobby as well too. I hear the girls on the TikTok shop calling it the Hob Lob. The Hob Lob, okay. All right, you guys, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm liking it. Everything is tying in together. It's giving us like a casual look. Nothing too fancy, nothing too dressy, but I like it so far. And I like how the gold is on the bottom, and then you got your black on the top with your gold trimming here as well too. So I think this is coming together perfectly. Now, I'm wearing this for a reason. This is the reason, you guys. I want to kind of be matchy-matchy a little bit. Is that okay with y'all for me to be matchy-matchy a little bit? Yes, that is all right. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make these into a bow. I don't know if I remember how to do that, but I'm going to try it, y'all. I'm going to try to make this into some kind of bow. But anyway, y'all, let me figure it out, and I'm going to come back on camera and show y'all what I figured out. Okay, you guys, so we're going to take our napkin. We're going to lay it flat. Let me put it down so y'all can see. We're going to put it down, lay it flat. Then we're going to make like a triangle. Okay, make like a triangle. And then I'm going to take this end, and I'm going to come right here. And I'm going to take this end, and I'm going to go here. Okay? That's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take this part, and I'm going to come here. I think that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go over, and I'm going to go over. Try to make sure my ends are the same. Y'all see it? And then I'm just going to bunch it in the middle. But I don't like how short that is. So I need to do what? What do I need to do? Y'all help me figure this out. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to bunch it in the middle. Y'all, can y'all see the bow? Can y'all see that? My hands are so small. Can y'all see the bow? See the bow? And then we're gonna take our napkin ring and slide it in here, okay? So let's try this again, y'all. This is a little tutorial. We were learning together, okay? And we're going to be using these Norfolk-like napkin rings, okay? So let's go. Triangle here. We're gonna take this piece here. Then we're going to take this piece here, not all the way, and then we're going to take this over, okay? And then we're going to go over here, not too far, over here, and then we're going to go over here. But the larger your The larger your napkin is, the better it will be to make it. I think I'm doing this right. Am I doing this right? Yes! I did it. I did it. I did it. Yeah, I did it. Okay. So, I want mine to kind of sit up like this. Like so. And then just play with it until you get the look that you want. And make sure everything is kind of neat as possible. And this is what we have. This is the back. And this is the front. This is the front. And this is the back. This is the back, y'all. This is the front because this looks better, okay? So all I'm going to do is to lay it just like that. And there you have your bow. Not perfect, but it's good. It's good. So let's do one more, okay? Let's do one more together, okay? That's cute, y'all. I like it. Thank you all so much for joining me on today. I so appreciate you guys for clicking on this video. Because y'all know we cannot do this without you all. We need you all. Okay. And then I'm just going to, wait. Too fast, Lisa. Just going to gather in the middle. And once you gather, you'll see the form, the bow form. And then we're just going to take our napkin ring. What color are you guys decorating in this Christmas season? What's your color pattern? Are you going traditional? Are you going chic? Are you going contemporary? Are you going whimsical? Yeah. So this is the next one. So I got the hang of it, y'all. I pretty much got the hang of it. So there you go. All right, I'm gonna do the other two and I'll be back. Thank y'all so much. Mwah. Now, let me bring you guys back for the reveal. All right, you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am ready to show you my kitchen island, how I decorate it, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much. I absolutely love this arrangement that I made here with the candy canes in here. I just used a glass vase and I used some black velvet ribbon there and tied it around, and then I used these Norfolk stems with the added pine cones in there. And y'all, I love the way that it turned out. Some of you guys may have seen it on TikTok because I told y'all I do post on TikTok. Sometimes I'll post on TikTok before I post here. Here is the full video, and on TikTok it's just a clip. So I'm also using this velvet pine cone, and then we have those ornaments, and then we have this gilded embers candle. I thought it was something new at Target. I'm not sure. I never saw it before, but it's new to me. It may be something old that they bring, but this is new to me. And then this is our place setting. I think the bows turned out cute. And so I know you guys see a little bit of repetition here in our ornaments, along with our bow napkins, along with our Norfolk pine as well too. So yeah, everything blend together. But again, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And you all, I'm having to hold the camera a certain way because certain parts of the home is decorated that I'm not ready to share yet. I haven't finished editing, so I don't want y'all to see it yet, okay? Sorry. But anyway, this is the kitchen island, how it will be for some time. I'm sure before Christmas, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, but for now, this is what we have. This is what we have for now. I appreciate each thumbs up. I appreciate every comment that you leave. And with that being said, At Home with Lisa, Lisa is signing off, and I will see you all in my next Christmas series video. All right, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
And by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.